Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Norlii box, so let's get into it. Check it out, probably some gorgeous decor. Norlii is a decor box. It is beautiful Scandinavian design. It comes from Denmark. It is always so gorgeous. The quality is amazing. This is one that I don't get regularly, but it is always such a fun treat when I see it in the mailbox because I know it's going to be such great products inside. It is sent to me for review, but because we review it, I have McCarty15 for my code. I will put that down below with the link. It will get you $15 off your first box. I'm going to go ahead and get in here. It is clean lined Scandinavian designs, but still also really warm. Don't think Scandinavian like just cool designs. It's that warm, harmonious, like the hygge, I think. Hygge, it's H-Y-G-G-E, but I think it's hygge that they call it. And it's just always so gorgeous. I have added these pieces so many places throughout my home. This is what it looks like on the inside. It says Nordic Hood. See, there you go. I think it's hygge, even though it looks like hygge. I think it's hygge. So Nordic Hygge Living, just for you. Right on top, we have our paperwork. That'll give us some information about it. This is a big box. I'm gonna have to set it on the ground. It's also a more flat box. I'm interested to see what's in it. It's usually a much more, square-sized box. This says Nordic Bathroom Rituals. I have a couple of bathrooms that could both use a refresh. Hope when we get into it, it starts telling us, I think it's telling us what our products are right away. First one I wasn't sure because I haven't seen anything that looked like that. But first out on top, I had this Mary Mecco. Oh, there's something in it. Ooh, other products are in it. Let me set those aside. Shipped really well. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. Something I took out of it has to smell good. This is, I can't even tell you. I don't think I've ever owned a towel that is this plush. It says, timeless and more sustainable choice. I mean, look how well done it is. That is amazing. Can you guys see the edges, how well they're trimmed? And it has the brand embroidered onto it. It is so soft. I have blankets that aren't this soft. Let's see what the paperwork says. See if I can find it in here without ruining the other surprises. Here we go. Actually, let me open it up all the way so you guys can see it. See how pretty it is? And ooh, on the back, so it'll get good and dry. It's got a little hang. That is handy. All right, what does the paperwork say? Feel the luxury with this hand towel from Finnish company Marimekko. Renowned for their timeless prints and exceptional craftsmanship, this towel is made from premium cotton and exudes style and durability, elevating your daily routine to a new level of elegance. It is elegant, just like it should be. And then the value on it is $30. This is gorgeous. I mean, I know what you're thinking. It's a hand towel. I can't even tell you how soft it is. And I love the style of it. And downstairs in my bathroom over my towel rack, I have gray towels. This is gonna look so good with it and give it a fresh new look. And again, I can't even express to you how soft this is. Next out, and this is a first, I think. I don't think we've ever gotten, or I've ever gotten, I don't get them all, a beauty product. This is Avant. We see Avant in some boxes, and it says complete your indulgent self-care routine with the beautiful face mask from Avant, combining luxurious ingredients and innovative skincare technology. Unwind, relax, and let this mask reveal your radiant glow. This European skincare embraces the Scandinavian ethos of self-care and natural beauty. It has a $25 value. So we're embracing our full spa day. Next out, this is what smells so good. I think it's gonna be soap. It smells so amazing. You guys know, if you watch the channel, I love special soaps. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Can you see it's like black and the edge is a bright, shiny gold? It's called Black Pearl. I think that's the only thing on here that is in English. Gravinus Rum Black Pearl. Let's find it in here. We've included a handmade bar soap from Gravinus Rum, the Countess's Room, to transport you to a serene moment of self-care. I fell for the soap a while back when I visited a spa in Sweden. The black soap with the golden dust looks so intriguing. And when I registered the sweet, exclusive, spicy fragrance, that is nice, and discovered the soap is made from the best organic raw materials available, I knew this soft and sensual soap was made for my bathroom. Everything is made by hand in a small soap factory in Stromstad on the west coast of Sweden. It has a $21 value. It smells heavenly. It smells like it would be great for you and your husband. You could use it on your kids if you wanted. I probably wouldn't do that. It smells so good. And I don't know if you can tell, it looks kind of like slate. You know, it's got that kind of stone look that you see in some fancy ones. Lovely. Something wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh, it's a soap dish. Oh, we're going to be so fancy. How gorgeous is that? I hope that is coming across. It is beautiful. Here, let's take this off. It's its little paper. That is lovely. I am so drawn to this natural coloring now. I don't know if any of you guys watch Mikkel Jansa, but she does everything that she does in natural tones, most of what she does. She dresses in natural tones, she does her house in natural tones, and I've never been a huge fan, but through watching her over the last couple of months and seeing how it all comes together, I'm like, yeah, I kind of want to do that. This says, place your new soap on the ceramic wave soap dish by Lubbock Living. The dish is an actual work of art in its own right. It not only serves its purpose, but it also adds a touch of minimalist beauty to your bathroom. The organic shape and simple color effortlessly blend with all your new items. The ceramic bar is handmade and manufactured using solar energy and reused water. It has a $16 value. So far, just to recap, look how gorgeously curated this is. It is amazing. Okay. There's something down in there that's still really big. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh my gosh, what is this? It's huge. Oh my goodness. Okay, how many times do we get like prints in boxes? Have you ever gotten one that was framed? Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. It's real natural. This is exactly what I was just talking about. It's just a very natural look. That is gorgeous. It says Aquarelle Expression Monochrome with what we just opened. That is amazing. I mean, it's glass. I mean, this is a full-on, can you imagine how nervy it was to send this from Denmark to the United States? This is amazing. It says it's from Bloomingville Paint. I'm trying to show it to you guys without my ring light in it. It's so pretty. It's such a perfect picture, so calming going into winter. To give your bathroom a personal feeling and character, we've included a monochronic illustration from Bloomingville. This beautiful piece of art will bring a unique touch to your space, showcasing the charm of Nordic living. The intricate details and monochromatic palette create a statement piece that captures the essence of simplicity and elegance, and it has a $43 value. I mean, the back even has hanging pieces on it, so it is ready to be hung. I love the Norlii box. It is always such gorgeous decor. You know, some decor boxes, you come away wondering if you got your money's worth, if you could just as easily do the same thing at Home Goods. This is all just next level. I took it out of its packaging, and just for the record, it is heavy. That is so, so pretty. So we received this lovely picture, the Avant face mask, this softer than soft. I can't even express to you how soft this towel is, and the soap and the soap dish. What a refreshener for your bathroom. I'm going to put the picture, these two, and the towel all in my bathroom. They all go with the colors that I've chosen downstairs, and I am excited to give it the refresh. I want to thank Norlii for sending this over. I always love getting this box. Every time I think, wow, I love decor boxes. I will put the link and my code McCarty15 down below. It will get you $15 off your first box. If you are into Scandinavian design, the clean lines, but still that warm feeling, go over and check it out. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you are having a great evening. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.